Dr. Hanan Ashrawi, I am so grateful to you personally and on behalf of Rebuilding Alliance. Thank you so much for being with us.
Can I say thank you to Donna Belansky Walker?
Yes, please do.
Yes, she's one woman who is really amazing. She's incredible. She's, works tirelessly. She's so dedicated and devoted and on all fronts that I just want to say hello to Donna and thank you for everything that you do. Building Alliance is an amazing organization and it does make a difference.
Thank you.
Much love to all of you. Thank you.